Aw, yeah. This shit's going
115
down.
gram.
Nice. Very nice.
Or grain, not gram.
Very nice.
Jacketed hollow point.
What up, YouTube? We're out in the middle of fucking nowhere with Michael Baldwin.
Woo!
And his knife of some sort. Yeah. What y'all shooting today?
Well, here's the rest of that knife.
Yeah.
Got it from one of my co-workers for Secret Santa.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
I got my shotgun out with me. Unloaded, of course.
And I got my Taurus Millennium G2 P111.
9mm. And of course, you all know the double barrel Stoger 12 gauge. That's my bad boy right here. Beautiful. Out here popping off a couple of shots with it. Alright.
Let's take a look at this ammo.
Yeah, that is nice.
It is a jacketed hollow point. So probably going to keep a clip of this for defense. Because it is hollow point and I want to fuck him up.
Right. He's got his shooting ears. I got mine on right here. Yeah.
And picked up a couple more generics.
There you go.
You know, for that case that I bring anybody else out, I don't have to share my big ass ones.
Right. Well, I got all my shotgun shells in this bag right here, and all the empty ones, I'm just putting them in my bag.
Oh yeah, make a necklace out of that.
Right.
Or make a bong. And
We're locked and loaded.
safety on so I don't accidentally shoot myself.
Right. Oh yeah, we're out making a shooting video.
Oh yeah. But we are missing one thing though.
What's that?
Beer.
Yeah. Alright, let's follow him.
Muddy as hell out today.
Yes, it is.
But it was a lot worse a couple days ago.
I believe it. There's a mirror right there. Oh, yeah.
So let's ask the man in the mirror what he thinks.
Let's ask the man in the mirror what he thinks.
Safety.
Yeah.
Live.
Yeah. Nice.
Cleared.
You want to trade me the camera for a second?
Oh yeah.
Alright. Alright. So I hand the camera off to this cool dude. And, well, I'm not going to shoot the mirror because he brought that out for his pistol, and one shot of this make that motherfucker shatter.
Let's do it.
Alright. Well, it's your target, so you want me to shatter that shit with my shotgun? I can do that. Out here, good, clean Wyoming fun.
Minus the alcohol.
Yeah.
Go ahead, stand over there.
Alright. So, I reached into my bag of goodies, pull out a couple of small game shells. Alright. Get a close-up of this right here, loading this shit up.
Splow. Splow.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, we are locked and loaded. Safety's off. Yeah.
And now, just because we've did it with all the rest of the videos, Time to change firearm.
Yep. Yep. That is nice. That mirror looked like it getting some damage to it.
Oh yeah.
All right, so I'll take a couple shots with the pistol. You want to shoot the shotgun?
Oh yeah.
All right.
You know it.
Trade the camera back again. Beautiful. I'll hook up the homie here with a couple of shells. There's his gun. And I'll hold on to that. Digging through all these shells here, trying to find a couple of live ones. Let's see. Here we go, 2 live shells. Holy shit, that was awesome. Hell yeah. Fuck that mirror up, son.
Sorry, he was talking shit. I had to shut him up somehow. You know, kind of like Aaron Burr did to Alexander Hamilton.
What's that?
Shot him. Oh yeah. I'll go load you up a clip.
All right, I'll pass this off to you. Trade you. Oh yeah, I'll put those in there. I want to do that. It's like, yeah. I want to rock the slide. It'll look better on camera. Yeah. All right, so we'll step into this abandoned trailer for the most part.
But got one question for you.
What's that?
Do you want these ones, the hollow points, or the federal ammunition?
Let's try for some hollow points, see what that's all
Hollow
about.
point? Or kind of mix them?
Yeah, mix them up, see what we can do.
Yeah.
Do a mix and match clip here.
First one, we'll do the hollow point.
Right on. So how many does that clip hold?
It holds 12.
Not bad.
So a smaller clip, but the second loaded is right there.
Nice.
Just jacketed. So let's go ahead and do like blam. They'll alternate.
Yeah.
I'll pop about 10 in here.
That's
you.
cool.
Oh.
If it's alright if I cock the slide, because I think that'll look better on camera, personally. I don't know about you. Cool. Because I don't know about you, but
They got it to where you're gonna have to draw it back to get it in.
yeah.
Blam. Safety on.
There we go.
So we'll set that right there.
All right. Let you hold on to this.
Here.
We're gonna set that down right there.
I think someone might have been out here.
Recently, yeah. Go ahead and set.
Did you open this door?
I didn't.
You didn't?
Alright, so I'll set my shotgun down right there. And keep this pointed at a safe direction. Alright.
Try one of these. Oh no! You dropped them!
I dropped the phone, Lady Jim. Alright. Alright. You're gonna try and see how so those do a good job protecting your ears?
About to find out.
Yeah? Those headphones, I mean.
Oh, those headphones. Oh yeah.
Okay. Right on.
Put the tampon-like earbuds in.
Oh man, this shit. All right, you ready for this shit?
Let's go see how well these.
Well, I gotta say, the headphones I have, these are from the Ear Shield company, and these ear shields do an excellent job. They fold up just like sunglasses. I can hear what I'm saying, but it doesn't. It doesn't block out.
Flip that upside down for you.
All right.
I kind of left you nowhere else to shoot.
Yeah. These ear shields I have on, they work pretty good. They protect my hearing from gun noise, and I'm still able to hear range.
Woo-wee!
Talk. Yeah. Fucking this shit up, son.
I don't know if it's gonna stay.
Yeah, it stayed. All right. Look at that shit, YouTube.
Nope.
Nope.
But it's okay. Ah! No! Hit ice.
There we go. That'll work.
And it's fresh.
Yes, it is.
Well, except for that one that I kind of shot the snow in.
Yeah. All right, we'll step back a ways. We'll step back a ways. Right here is good. I'm gonna hand the camera off to this fine fellow. All right, so
come around this side so we can get you in the sun.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to that side of you.
Oh, okay. Step over here. All right, safety's off, and we are locked and loaded. There we go. All right.
Ah, you killed it.
Yes, I did. I killed it till it's dead.
That's worse.
Hell yeah. That's most definitely what's up. Safety's on. All right.
But I mean, that was just a mirror.
Yeah.
You know? Wonder if we have anything better to shoot.
We might.
Well,
we just might. We just might have something funner to shoot. We fucked that mirror up.
You know, something kind of like
this. Empty helium tank.
Gotta pop a couple holes in it to
recycle it.
So see, we're about recycling.
Yeah, going green for Mother Earth. Yes, sir. All right.
Both of these are 115 grain.
Nice.
I believe. Yep, 115 grain.
I'll lean this against the Mountain Dew bottle so we can. There we go. Get you on camera as well. So what happens when you shoot a helium tank that's empty? We're about to find out. Hashtag fuck gun violence. Hashtag fuck mass shootings. Oop. Nice thing about the double barrel shotgun is that the safety automatically engages every time you load. All right. Not doing too bad on the shooting video, man. We got like 15 minutes in so far.
Oh yeah.
Good quality, clean fun. And it's about late winter, early spring. Sun's out, snow's melting. It's a beautiful day to go shooting, ladies and gents.
And if something catches fire, well, too bad there's no water in any form around, right?
Right? What the hell is that then? Oh man, I'm getting mud all over my shoes, having a good clean time.
Let's just go ahead and toss this over there.
See where it lands?
Right about there.
Right about there, that'll work.
Yeah, that's gonna go bad.
I'd stand it up, honestly.
Yeah.
Like plop it in the snow, prop it in there like you do with the mirror. Fuck that mirror up, something fierce.
Woohoo!
Woohoo, slipping and sliding, all right.
Blam!
Right there, that'll do it.
Now my shoe's all covered in snow.
Oh no.
So I should say the inside of it at least.
Right?
It's okay, I'm hot enough to melt it.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah. Nice, knocked it over. Nice, very nice.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
See what the damage is.
I know I missed it a few of those, most of the time.
Yeah, we're not worried about hitting it. We're just out here having a good time, you know. Holy Toledo, Batman. Look at that shit. Yeah. That fucked it up real good.
Oh, that's right.
You hear the bullet rattling around in there.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
That might stick a little bit better.
Yeah.
Hey, I still got water out here.
Oh yeah, I got a piece of water out there. Nice. All right. Whoa, man, you almost fell. You all right?
Almost died.
Oh shit. All right. Right about here looks good. That's close enough. All right, gun is loaded. We are hot. That helium tank is gonna get shot. Level it just a little bit.
Hashtag rhyme it.
Right? Huh. Try that again.
That was a sad one.
Yes, it was. Good, clean Wyoming fun, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, sirree. Shout out to a hole-in-the-wall gunsmithing of Mills. They fixed my shotgun, and they did an excellent job doing it. Huh, I wonder if I hit it. Probably not.
I don't know what you're firing.
Small game shells.
Yeah, you was skimming off the top of the snow.
Yeah, I seen that.
Like a good bit.
I seen that. Skimming off the top of the snow. There I was. That I was. Yes, sirree. All right. Damn it. Huh. Try a couple more shells here. Take a look at it. See if I hit it. I'm gonna have to get up close and personal with it.
Well, don't have to worry about it blowing up.
Yeah, because it's empty.
Yeah. Oh, we forgot the full helium tank in the car.
Oh, we did, didn't we?
Yeah.
Shit, that's all right. Well, we're gonna do a little bit of helium and shoot this video with a squirrely voice using helium. Like, hey, sir, what's up? But then Mike left it in the car. That's all right.
I know. I'm sorry.
I'm not sorry. Hey kids, today's word is tinfoil. I hit it that time. Ha
Haha.
I heard that fucker ping too. I'm just like, whoa, dude.
Get the battery and check the damages. Brah.
I don't know. I heard it hit. Like I see where it skimmed it a little bit.
Woohoo! Well, that's a little close. Huh. It might just not be strong enough to penetrate it.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
That's great. Yeah, you can see it's a beautiful Wyoming day. I might have better luck shooting that thing with the pistol, to be honest.
Right. Ah, my shoe stuck.
All right, hold on. Let me put my gun around my shoulders here.
It's stuck.
Haha!
I'm free.
Free at last. Look at that shotgun Connecticut sling. Keeps my gun around my shoulders. I like it. The gun's loaded, but it's unsafe. All right. Make our way back over to the loading station and try my hand at this helium tank, shooting it with the pistol. I mean, I heard it go pa-ting when it hit, so, you know. To be fair, I haven't gone shooting in a long time, so I'm probably a little bit rusty at my aiming. But how's that ear protection treating you?
Not as crappy as I thought.
Huh. You hear that? You heard it first. Not as crappy as he thought.
It's actually not too bad, and 79 cents.
79 cents, and it actually works. That's not bad. Hell yeah.
Can still hear everything around.
But it blocks out the gunshots.
Cuts it down at least enough to not go deaf by it.
Right?
Huh. You know, I haven't been out here in months, so all the food out here we could probably shoot.
Yeah.
As long as we could get to it. What else we got? Some of that is not very good. Oh, that's nasty.
Oh.
Heh, want a carrot?
Oh, bro, that's nasty.
Ugh.
Seriously nasty.
What? You think I'm lying? These actually might still be good. Ah, fuck my finger.
That's what she said.
So I fucked her with it. Like that. I don't think there's really anything to shoot.
You don't think? All right.
Other than some of that perishables. I mean, hey. Why not, right?
Yeah, why not?
I mean, can't eat it.
It's probably expired.
Like, that's supposed to be Italian dressing.
Yeah. That shit look nasty.
Yeah. And then there's some slimy chipotle sauce. Oh, yeah.
Oh. That's just grimy, dude.
Well, must be that time of the month. That was in poor taste. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, girls. Women. Please do not track me down and murder me. I don't want to be gutted like a fish. I like my insides exactly like they say. Inside.
Yeah.
They're in here, my pocket.
Oh, your cigarettes.
Yeah, someone has been out here.
Yeah, someone's definitely been out here.
Huh. So thinking about giving Uncle Mike a offer on this one.
Hell yeah.
I bought it. He bought it for me.
Yeah.
Now I'm looking at buying it back.
Yeah, there you
Why
go.
the fuck not?
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
I mean, really just needs a good clean.
Now, the original buttstock that I had on here did not have this. The original...
You said butt.
He said buttstock. No, but the original buttstock had just a plastic little piece on it. This stock that they replaced it with on the gun has this nice cushion. It makes shooting this thing so comfortable.
I don't even want to open that.
He's like, I ain't touching that with the 10-foot pole.
Hell, I want to touch that with his penis. And it's not even mine. What else do I got in here? What is in the zipper? Nothing. I wonder if that battery's still good.
I don't know.
Well, we can make it not good.
Yeah?
No, I gotta ask about that first.
Yeah.
And then Hamilton is in that one.
Sounds like we're not the only ones shooting today. I hear it out in the background, man.
I wonder if it's Christian.
Huh. Ooh.
I'll let you load this one.
All right.
You got it.
All right. Test my skills at loading a magazine. All right. And them hollow points got some nice kick to them, I'll say that, but I'll just grab whatever I can get.
Well,
right here.
When they hit, they're gonna expand and cover all of the places.
Right. No, it's just like loading a Pez dispenser.
Oh, almost. You're forgetting about the lip.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the lip.
Then back.
Oh, okay. He showed me a little trick here. It's like you're forgetting about the lip. You gotta go.
I'm gonna pop over to the Winnebago.
All right. There we go. I got it in there.
That's what she said.
More like what he said. That's good shit, YouTube. That is good shit. There we go. I don't have too much experience shooting handguns or guns in general, but I have enough to get my my palette wet. There we go. There we go. Now we're cooking. And once you get the hang of it, it's just doop. Easy as piss, YouTube. Just push it down, find the lip, push it in there. Alrighty.
Want to see a dead body?
Really?
Yeah.
This ought to be good. Yeah, give me a second. Alright, that's about, I think, maybe I could load one. Yep, there we go. There we go, I got that fucker loaded. Alright. Safety's on. Alright. A dead body, you say? What kind of dead body? Alright. Go on next door to the trailer next to it, see what we can find.
Dead body.
Oh.
Poor bird.
Yeah. Or that was a bird? Yeah, yeah, it's a bird, I can tell. I see the beak right there.
Yeah, someone's been staying here.
I can tell that.
Well, there's shit in the toilet.
Ew. I'm not gonna film that for YouTube.
Oh. At least it's where it goes.
Question is who and what?
No pizza in the oven.
Nope. Alright. Well, I see a helium tank over there that needs to be shot at. Stand right about here. That'll give me some boom, boom. Okay. Hold on a second. I had to hold the camera with my mouth. We are locked, we are loaded. 9mm. Get a little bit closer to it. And now we're cooking. Yeah. I put a couple holes in it. Let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at that. That's nice.
Since our last video, I only came out here like once.
Right.
I only came out to shoot once, maybe twice.
All right.
You thirsty?
In a bit, yeah. But can I, whoa, shit! You want to hold the key? Hold the camera for a second.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Well, we popped a couple rounds off with the pistol. Oop. Now we got 2 rounds in the shotgun. Let's see what happens when I get real close and nasty with it. Yeah. What the hell?
Safety might have went back on.
Ah.
Dud?
Hold on, let's try the other shell with it, or the other barrel. There we go. You think that's enough holes for recycling? Or should I put 2 more in there?
That should be good enough. They say 5 holes.
All right.
Ish.
Let's take a look at that damage. Be up close and nasty with that shotgun. Look at that, YouTube. Woo-wee. That is mean. They say that's good enough for recycling. That's good enough for recycling.
Hey. If they don't accept it, well,
put more holes in it.
Yeah. But if you guys want to send 12 gauge,
yeah,
any special 12 gauge rounds or 9 millimeter hand, we will gladly accept them.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely.
And whoever sends any, we will make sure to make a video specifically for you.
Give y'all a shout out too.
Oh yeah. And we'll review anything you send us.
Pretty much, right? Yeah. Starting to get a little chilly out. Yes, sirree. Huh. I see a cement block I could try shooting at.
Yeah.
It's a little bit muddy out here, but we'll make it work. That cement block right there, YouTube. Right fucking there.
If I get my fat fingers out of the way.
Yeah. Alright.
Did you tell it a joke?
You know why the detective became a construction worker?
Why?
He wanted concrete evidence. Concrete, he says. Oh.
I mean, hell, that was funny enough. Even this lock is cracking up.
Right? Oh, man. I love shooting my double barrel shotgun. That's just too much fun.
Oh, yeah.
This here is a double barrel Stoeger 12 gauge side-by-side coach gun. It has internal hammers, nice little bead sight, stock length. Can't go wrong with that. Oh yeah. And both the guns we have on us are pretty freaking sexy, so.
Oh, yeah.
Oh ho ho, look what I have.
Oh ho ho, I get one of them.
All right. These are steel shot. These right here are the nastiest kicking shells I have. They're small game, but whew. Let's see how the kick on this shell does with the new pad. Oh. Not too bad. That was pretty manageable. Put the safety on. All right, you give that a whirl.
Which one you do?
I did the back one, so I think you got the front one. Not too bad. That cushion does a nice job, man. Yeah. That's what's up.
I think it went to church because it's holy.
Oh. Oh,
Woohoo!
look at that smoke. Oh, that's sexy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I love the smell of gunpowder. Yeah, buddy. These are some gnarly sons of bitches right here.
Should we go aerial?
Aerial, you say? What do you mean by that?
Toss something up?
Well, if you want.
I bet I can make it.
Yeah.
I'll try it with the pistol since that's a bit off.
Yeah. All right. Get some more action on that pistol. The battery's about to die.
No!
Just when we were having so much fun. But this video is like almost an hour long, so that's pretty good. Alright, we'll get just a little bit more action with that pistol and then I want to sign off because my battery's dying, unfortunately.
Your battery sucks, bro.
I know. At this nice 42-minute long shooting video. And the battery is about to freaking die. Oh.
I'll kill it. I'll kill it dead. I'll kill it dead or didn't dead.
Alright, so we'll get some more footage of the pistol and call that a good shooting video, I reckon. We'll be out here shooting off camera, but I had to
That's when the good shit's gonna happen, you know that, right?
oh yeah, when the shooting gets real fun, yeah, I know.
Well, and you never catch the good shit on camera.
I know, right?
Would you like to throw it?
Alright, let's see what you got.
One of these.
Alright.
Oh,
I didn't.
that was nasty.
Yeah, I believe it.
Not sure if I'm gonna be able to adjust fast enough. That's too close.
Yeah, that's way too close.
Yeah.
That's way too close. Did you hit it?
I think I missed it.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah, I missed it.
Huh.
Either that or I shot through the hole.
Right?
But I don't think I'm that lucky.
I don't know, I'll just stick it in like the snow and hit it real quick because my battery's about to die. We'll find somewhere to just like throw it and shoot at it, I guess. I don't know. Not trying to rush it or nothing, but like, unfortunately, that works.
Stupid technology.
Yeah, stupid technology. Alright, so this shooting video is just about wrapped up. Michael Baldwin with his 9mm.
Chow!
And my double barrel 12 gauge, getting some shit done. Yeah, that's what's up. I definitely put a couple holes in it. Oh yeah, look at that.
Looks like 2 full metals and a hollow point hit.
Yeah. Well, anyways, this is King Cobra JFS and Michael Baldwin.